YouTube channel. My name is SillySigi. This is my very first YouTube video. I hope you will enjoy it. We're going to have a fun time, I promise you. So here I have a bag from the Apple Store. Guess what's in it? A new iPhone SE! Oh, I've been waiting for it for like forever, guys. And I'm going to show you the other accessories that I bought for my new iPhone SE. This Trianium Protective Slim case and my very own Pineapple Popsocket. As you guys may know, my boyfriend, he loves pineapples, by the way.
Suddenly, pineapples.
First of all, we will begin with the iPhone SE. I've got this rose gold plated and we're going to open this big girl. Wow, it's so beautiful, guys. It's like a rose gold child. So let's see what else we got in this thing. Ooh, okay, this is the earpiece, and we got a charger with the USB cable. And this is like a key to open the SIM card slot. Next up, the case. I'm going to put it on. Eee, it's like Spider-Man. That wasn't so bad. Wow, look at this baby. Now, for the finale, the pop socket. I'm going to peel this off. Let's see. The most convenient place to place a pop socket is at the bottom of a cell phone or the bottom of a case, because it makes texting all easier, like this. So guys, that was my unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really love everything I purchased today. I'm going to make more videos in the future. That's a promise. Please give this video a like, share and subscribe, and that's it for today, guys. Bye!